Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video, we will discuss about organization-wide defaults. Organization-wide defaults provides baseline level of access to all users in organization on each object. In simple word, we can say organization-wide defaults used to grant the record level access to the users inside the organization, and this organization-wide default based on the role hierarchy. Salesforce provide some organization-wide defaults options. They are: first one is private, second one is public read only, after that public read write, after that public read write transfer, after that public full access, view only, no access, use, and last one is controlled by parent. Go to setup and in quick find search here sharing setting. After that, here we can see manage sharing settings for all object. We can select particular object. Here I am select all objects. After that, click here edit button. After that, we can see here default internal access is for lead object is public read write transfer. Default external access is private for account and contract. Default internal access is public read write, and default external access is private. We can also change this public read write transfer to public read write, public read only, and private. Simple private means record visible to record owner and is manager. After that, public read only means other user cannot see, other user can see record but cannot edit or delete the record. After that, public read write means other user can see and edit records, and record owner and his manager have full control. Means record owner and his manager can edit or delete the record. After that, public read write transfer means using transfer option we can transfer the ownership of record from one user to another user. In this way, we can set the record level access to the users by using organization wide defaults. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.